What is up? Welcome to this video. Welcome to another massive super episode of the 500 playlist of Python concepts in software engineering. And in this video we are going to look at the security risks of Python pickle. So Python's pickle model enables serialization of objects but presents significant security risk, and the primary vulnerability occurs during deserialization, when Python can execute arbitrary code embedded within pickle data and creating a dangerous attack vector when processing data from untrusted sources. So here's the safe usage and mitigation strategies that you can adopt. So one is the trust verification. Only pickle data from trusted sources, treating it with same security standards as executable code. Another, you have to use cryptographic protection by signing, for example, HMAC to verify data integrity before unpickling. Another one is for other safer alternatives. You have to use JSON, YAML, and protocol buffers that don't execute code during serialization. And that's it for the safe usage and mitigation strategies right here on IO the General. This is Python concepts of 500 Python concepts in playlist. Do what to check it out on our channel. Thank you for watching this video. If you do not understand anything, do what to post it in the comment section. Thank you for watching this video.